The right mouse button context menu in Onshape now includes icons for some of your favorite functionalities. When clicking on assembly models, instances in the instance list, and mate features, you'll see icons for functionalities like fixing a part, linking to a version of an instance, and toggling a part between shown and hidden. There are even icons when right-clicking on tabs. In Part Studios, you'll see icons when right-clicking on the Part Studio model, the feature tree, and the parts list, including adding a comment, deleting a part, and creating a drawing. Previously in Onshape, search results only showed an order of relevance to your search. Now, in addition to that, you have the option to sort by modified date to filter for projects that have been edited most recently or ones that haven't changed in a while. You can also sort names by alphabetical order for quicker access to your data. For easier visibility when working with assemblies that have parts with many tangent edges, like surface parts that have a lot of fillets on them, you now have the option to toggle tangent edges between visible, phantom with dashed lines, or hidden in the Assembly tab to allow for a cleaner look at your model.
One of the most valuable collaboration tools in Onshape is action items, which track objectives related to tasks or releases. Action items add accountability to the design process, and with this release, you can now extend this accountability with Enterprise Analytics. Starting with the Action Item Summary dashboard, Enterprise admins now have the ability to visualize each user's workload, as well as the number of open and overdue tasks. This dashboard can be filtered by time, task type, and project, and like other dashboards, it's easy to drill down into specifics for different statuses and users. In addition to the summary dashboard, you can also use analytics to filter and sort through your enterprise's tasks. Sorting by priority and due date will help you identify the most important items, and you can easily navigate directly to that task. And as always, the referenced Onshape models are only a click away.
Thanks for watching. Click the logo to subscribe or see some of our other videos linked here.